Hey everyone, friends, what's up? Today I'll show you how to download and install Litematica for Minecraft. For this, we'll need Fabric first. Go to Fabric Minecraft in Google, type Fabric, click Download for Windows. Next, go to Google, type Litematica Fabric, go in Files and Download. I'm downloading for the latest version. Click Download. Next, we need Malilib. Same thing, go in, click the first tab, Files, and for version latest 2110. Download it. We also need Fabric API. Go to Google, Fabric API, Files, and download the latest snapshot. Now wait 5 seconds on each page for the download to start. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, now open Fabric Installer. Select the version, in my case 121.10, click Install. Next, open Minecraft Launcher. Choose Installations. As you can see, Fabric 121.10, click on the installation folder, go to Mods. And here we'll drop in all 3 of our mods like this. After that, you can start the game. If you can't get to the installation folder through Minecraft Launcher, then you need to type run, type %%. Click OK. Well, let me do that again since I did it too fast. Here's the command. Click OK, select .minecraft, scroll all the way down. Here, select mods, and that's the folder. After that, just select the launcher you need and play. Bye everyone.